Hey guys, and welcome to the Working Money channel. And just like that, guys, look at that. This is the XRP chart on the 5-minute. As I was preparing for this video not 30, 40 minutes ago, the price of XRP started moving up again, and now we've actually retraced again. This is the 5-minute chart. This isn't the 4-hour, even the hourly. The 5 minutes, so each candlestick represents 5 minutes, and just within the last, let's say 10 minutes, we have retraced back to this high that we saw yesterday morning. So XRP over the course of yesterday was just kind of meandering. Then we saw a dip, tried to recover up here. At this point, I was a little concerned. Luckily, though, we did make a higher low. And now, guys, we're actually up above that level. So, it is something that moves very, very fast. And, these videos that I'm going to be making over the next few months could be a little bit over here, a little bit over there, just because, this kind of thing does happen. And I do want to report on it as it is happening. So this wasn't the way I was thinking I was going to start off today's video. Nevertheless, I'm pleasantly surprised, very happy to say the least. The XRP community, I think, is feeling it. 20K likes in less than 2 hours from a simple GM. Good morning. I think it's safe to say the XRP family is growing quickly. This is the tweet from Brad Garlinghouse from yesterday morning. 21,000 likes within the first 2 hours. As you guys can see, XRP is the biggest mover right now. So Bitcoin is down by a little bit. Ethereum's up by a little bit. XRP now firmly in the number 3 spot with $163.3 billion in market cap, dwarfing Tether's 134.6. So it overtook Tether again yesterday, or today, this morning, I guess. XRP now sitting in number 3. As you guys can see up here, fear and greed is still in greed at 78. Bitcoin dominance at 54.3. We got crypto volume up by 16, almost 17%. And the market cap getting very, very close to 3.5 trillion. Right now, it's at 3.45 trillion. As we were seeing those prices rise yesterday, I think it's important to talk about the setup over the weekend. Ali Charts here bringing this to our attention. Ripple Whales bought an additional 160 million XRP over the weekend, valued at around $380 million. So you guys can see that there on the charts. This is a mix. I think it's a mix of retail and institutional. Samaha down here asking, is this retail or institutional? I get the sense that, well, we do have a large retail base, and more retail is going to come into the crypto space, knowing that XRP does move in this kind of way. The fact of the matter remains that institutional, and even you got to think, okay, there are guys that work, for companies that are institutional traders that are realizing, okay, XRP is the next thing. You don't think that on the side, on the weekend, they're putting their own money in privately into XRP and deciding, okay, I'm going to invest on this on my own, on top of maybe, having a work fund that does invest for me or invest it for my clients, etc. So there's institutional retail and then the hybrid of both. The guys who work in institution that are technically retail traders trading XRP, I think that that's probably very likely. 604 XRP here posting this. I overlaid the XRP previous run from when it was at $2.49. Now, guys, he took a fractal pattern from back then. Let's take a look at this real quickly here. He says, so this is including the consolidation pattern to where we are now on the last run up to $2.86. It's following the previous consolidation pattern pretty damn closely, if you ask me, though the current consolidation is taking longer with more bars. I hope history does repeat itself, and so what he is suggesting here is, look at this, okay, following the consolidation pattern, at that time, guys, that is when we got up to all-time high, $3.31 on this particular exchange. And again, I don't know what time frame that was on, but as you guys can see here, this is wild. The 5-minute, though, always tends to be a little wild when there's a lot of activity. Let me throw it on the hourly to give us a more reasonable, more sensible outlook on XRP price. So we did spike up. Now we're seeing that little bit of a retracement here on the 2nd hour. XRP, though, guys, ultimately needs to break all-time high at this point. And on this particular exchange, here, let me throw a horizontal line on there. This particular exchange, we're seeing an all-time high for XRP in and around, about $3.29, so almost $3.30 per coin. Guys, we're getting so close to that target. We're only, let's see how far away we are from that. Let me throw a price tool on there, Percentage tool, only 14, just under 15%. So it's looking very positive. Wanted to thank 604 XRP and, of course, Ali Charts and Anders there for posting that. Now, remember, whales, institutional, hybrid, retail, and institutions are coming in. So be mindful of this, guys. Whales can move the market with their buying pressure or selling pressure, and tracking this can indicate their market sentiment. So this was just put out by CoinDesk. XRP price has zoomed 430% just in the month of November alone, reaching price levels last seen in 2018 and leaving scores of crypto Twitter traders surprised with the strength. The rise started in early November after the Republican victory in the U.S. election reignited investor confidence in tokens linked to U.S. companies, including XRP's associated Ripple Labs. Large holders are playing a key role in contributing to the move. Crypto quant data shows whale activity, which tracks movement from large wallets to and from exchanges, and that's been consistently elevated since the last month. Let me go down here. Whales can move the market, obviously. For instance, if the cryptocurrency inflows into exchanges is significant, it might suggest that whales are preparing to sell, potentially signaling a bearish market trend. Well, we are clearly not seeing that at this moment. What we are seeing is very bullish activity for XRP in particular. However, such whale movements tend to coincide with local peaks. And Crypto Quant, he did say this, okay, historically, significant spikes in whale to exchange transactions, they align closely with the XRP price peaks. This suggests that whales tend to move large amounts of XRP to exchanges to sell near local or cycle tops. So for those of you guys who have been following me at patreon.com/workingmoneychannel, you know this is when the juicy stuff is coming out. Join now, guys. It is only $5 a month. And again, that price is going up very, very soon. I've been giving everybody a lot of notice because I don't want people to come back and be like, why is it so expensive now? No, $5. If you get in now, you will be grandfathered in. My XRP price targets will be published along with my $15,000 plus altcoin portfolio. I'm going to be giving insight into, broader market factors, my Bitcoin position, etc. Patreon.com/workingmoneychannel. If you guys are interested, again, $5 a month right now. XRP is apparently becoming so popular that MetaMask has launched XRP accounts. This courtesy of XRP Crypto Wolf. So a PSA, can you manage your XRP directly with MetaMask? Snaps can make MetaMask to any network. To get started with XRP, you can install this MetaMask Snap built by Peersys. So we know Peersys is a Ripple partner. But guys, this is how big this is getting. I think they're probably going to start to see more retail adoption. You know, this bull run could feel a little more like 2017, 2018 for XRP holders, where, all the rage was surrounding XRP just because it was performing so well. Look at that. Over the last 7 days alone, 109%. So, you consider how well XRP is doing. Now all these products are going to be coming out for XRP holders. Wanted to thank XRP Crypto Wolf for posting that. So guys, what happens next? This is the big question. I think that, we're all kind of wondering. We've already seen XRP make that big move on the 5-minute chart. Here, let me just bring that up again. So it has retraced a little bit. Obviously, we're seeing a bit of resistance up there on the 5-minute. But overall, guys, this is looking super, super bullish. And I have no reason to believe that it is not going to continue. Again, let's not forget, we have really only seen 1 month of the real euphoria phase, the real banana zone, as Raul Powell calls it. If I throw the Fibonacci here on the top, you can see, guys, we're retracing a little bit at that Fibonacci level. The 1 would denote all-time high. But how high could we go from there? Well, I mean, considering XRP has been performing very well, I think $13 is, definitely a potential. Even if we take the fib from the most recent high and bring it down there, we are looking at an XRP price. Actually, it should be like this, more like $7.50, $7.50, give or take. But again, for more refined targets and a deeper analysis of the overall market, you can follow me at patreon.com/workingmoneychannel. We're just throwing out possibilities based on what we are seeing at the moment. But guys, I think we are still early on, and I do still think seeing higher price points a very, very likely possibility. Now, Michael Branch brought this to our attention, guys. SEC drops a bombshell by appointing George Tenreiro to Chief Litigation Counsel, a move that signals the agency's commitment to strict crypto oversight. I thought we were turning a page. What the heck is happening here? Tenreiro is widely recognized for his aggressive enforcement tactics in the crypto space, and his promotion comes at a critical moment as President-elect Donald Trump prepares to take office. So could it be that, maybe he is being promoted now because if he's promoted, he has to stay in that position? I don't know what the rules are, but maybe he has to stay in that position for a certain amount of time. And you know, he's just a lawyer. Let's not forget the SEC has their chief commissioner, and the chief commissioner is at the top, and the chief commissioner does make the rules. So the chief commissioner does decide where the SEC does move, and these guys are just little worker bees, right? Kind of enforcing the chief commissioner's position. It's the same if you're a lawyer and you move from a defense firm to a plaintiff firm, doing the same kind of, I think personal injury lawyers come to mind there, where you do see sometimes, I guess, you do see personal injury lawyers that are for the plaintiff move to the defense side, and so they use all their knowledge there to be able to help the other side out. So I don't know if this is necessarily a terrible revelation. Tenrero's track record, of course, with the SEC underscores his approach to crypto regulation. Previously, he led the Crypto Assets and Cyber Unit, where he oversaw some of the SEC's most contentious cases. His role in the Ripple lawsuit, where the SEC alleged XRP was an unregistered security, solidified his reputation as a key figure in shaping crypto enforcement. Well, he certainly isn't going to get any love from the XRP community. I can probably tell you that with certainty. But guys, the new SEC chair pick could be announced tomorrow, this courtesy of Digital Assets Daily. So even if he does get that promotion as a lawyer, according to Fox Business, a nominee who is supposed to replace SEC Chair Gary Gensler could be announced. Now, he won't be sworn in yet, but he could be announced as early as Wednesday. Okay, that would be tomorrow, Wednesday, December the 4th, if you guys are watching this video on the day that I'm recording it. As reported by You Today, former SEC Commissioner Paul Atkins is the current frontrunner to become the next head of the formidable regulatory agency, according to the betting market Kalshi. Former Binance US head Brian Brooks is also among the top contenders, but his odds appear to be much slimmer. Last week, Politico cited anonymous sources familiar with the matter, and they said that Atkins was the leading candidate to spearhead the SEC. However, there was no final decision at that time. The Senate will have to confirm the nominee before that person will be able to take the helm. As reported by You Today, though, Ripple executives recently attributed the ongoing price rally to Gensler's departure, with CLO Stuart Alderati suggesting that the SEC was suppressing crypto prices with its aggressive approach to regulation. Now, you know what's really interesting that it just came to my attention the other day after all these years. I'm going to show you guys something. When was Gary Gensler sworn? Yeah, confirmed. Okay. Or appointed. On April the 14th, 2021, his nomination was confirmed in the Senate by a vote of 53 to 45 to fill the chair of Jay Clayton's term expiring in June of 2021. April 14th, 2021, guys, was when Gary Gensler was confirmed. And you remember the top here? XRP's top, like, I'm not making this up. This is the real deal here, okay? This is the real deal. I didn't realize Gensler was confirmed on pretty much the day, yeah, literally the day that XRP reached its inter-year high, April the 14th, 2021. So, you know, this could have been the reason why, or partially why, we did see a stunted, even altcoin rally. And even, with Bitcoin, just bringing us back, I'm just going to bring you guys back to the Bitcoin chart here. A possibility why we saw this kind of a thing, this V-bottom for Bitcoin, which was very, very unusual, I got to say, because most cycles were like this, right? And even the cycle before that was like this, okay? And so this is more similar to this. And then this had this V-bottom like this before it came down. So very unusual. I think, now that we've got clarity, now that we know Gary Gensler is leaving, I think we could see something more like what we saw back in 2017. But, we're still going to have to see how that plays out. Mr. Man here bringing this to our attention, guys. There's a lot more XRP ETFs and ETPs than you may be aware of. It's all happening in the background, guys. More companies are applying for these things. Listen to this.
To all you individuals that don't know about this site, it might benefit you to check it out. This is OpenFIGI. What OpenFIGI is the financial instrument global identifier. Is an established global standard issued under the guidelines of the Object Management Group, an international nonprofit standards organization founded in 1981, owned by Bloomberg. That's not on there, but they're owned by Bloomberg. So if we go up here and check out XRP, you will see all the different ETFs, ETPs, trading pairs, legal stuff for XRP already. Spot ETFs, look at this. How beautiful is this? There's the wisdom tree stuff that had just come out saying that they had just applied for it. This has been here for years. I've been checking this site out here, following this stuff here. All right. There's over 656 results. Okay, 656 results. I will link this in the link this for you guys here. Check it out yourself. Have a look. Enjoy it.
Really kind of amazing. I will link the Mr. Man tweet in the description of this video if you guys want to check out that link there that is embedded in this tweet. So 656 different results for that relate to XRP in terms of some kind of XRP related product. Now, I know it looks as though some of these are identical or duplicates, I guess. So I'm not entirely sure if there are that many products, but it does go to show you guys where institutions' minds are at when it comes to, well, crypto, but more importantly, XRP specifically. So wanted to thank Mr. Man for posting that. If institutions are actually considering XRP a legitimate trading product, okay, on the open market with traditional finance, wouldn't it make sense that this would be the next logical step, guys? Banks adopting XRP will make the price rise. Not only that, the institutional trading of these XRP products will also contribute to that price rise. When Ripple processes a transaction, there's a small fee in XRP, and it is destroyed rather than collected. This system prevents spam transactions while reducing the total supply of XRP over time. With a fixed supply of 100 billion XRP and no mining, XRP is inherently deflationary. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies designed for everyday use, Ripple integrates directly into the banking industry. So that is the biggest I think it's our biggest boon for XRP. So it acts as a connector rather than a replacement for payment systems like SWIFT, enabling seamless cross-border transactions in any currency. Ripple's anonymity and energy efficiency makes it highly appealing to banks and financial institutions. As more banks and institutions adopt Ripple's system to improve efficiency, demand for XRP does increase. This growing demand, though, combined with the decreasing supply, ensures that XRP's price will continue to rise over time. And in this document here, guys, they even do outline it. In here, Ripple does not supplant conventional payment channels such as SWIFT. Ripple, on the contrary, actively integrates into the banking industry. And then down here, look at this. Thus, the total amount of XRP currently will gradually decrease, and its price will rise. So I do not know where this was from. I really do wish Smoke would post his sources. He did screen grab something else here. Okay, this is another tweet from him from yesterday. So XRP is deflationary. Just another tweet to just to confirm that. But guys, this is the theory behind the product. And we've been hearing the murmurings of WisdomTree officially launching an XRP ETF. Well, apparently the filing has been confirmed as of 22 hours ago. Spot Bitcoin ETF provider WisdomTree became the fourth firm now in the U.S. to submit their Form S1 filing. So the OpenFIGI numbers here, the 656 XRP related products. Well, you can see here WisdomTree does have 4 right there off the bat, and I'm sure there are probably more. Well, guys, this is the official filing. So these are, obviously it's a process and they have to go through the official channels, but they did become the fourth company in the US to submit their Form S1 filing for a spot XRP ETF. WisdomTree's new ETF, the WisdomTree XRP Fund, aims to provide investors with exposure to the price of XRP through issuing shares that will be listed on the CBOE BZX exchange. Subject to approval by the SEC, the new fund will create and redeem shares using a cash create method or in exchange for cash, with the in-kind model potentially coming with further approvals. Also, guys, note this, that Coinbase affiliates are to serve as prime execution agents as XRP custodians. Here's a quote: Coinbase serves as the XRP custodian and prime execution agent for several competing exchange-traded XRP products and plays a critical role in supporting the U.S. spot XRP exchange-traded product ecosystem. So that is very big news. We know Canary Capital is also another one that has filed Bitwise, 21 shares. And Grayscale, guys. Yes, Grayscale, who is continuously promoting their XRP Grayscale Trust. This was just from yesterday, 12:53 p.m. Eastern Standard Time yesterday. Grayscale XRP Trust is open to eligible accredited investors seeking exposure to XRP, which powers the XRP Ledger, a distributed network used for cross-border payments. And if you click on this link, you can see now, as of now, NAV per share, $54.07. So that has been increasing over time. This was as of yesterday, December the 2nd, 2024. So guys, this is a big deal. We're going to see the ecosystem grow. We're already seeing it grow. We're seeing more filings being registered, and it's super bullish for XRP. I mean, XRP traders have been waiting for this for a very long time. We are seeing the price rise, and guys, I think we're going to get up to all-time high very, very soon. That's just my opinion. And if you want to know what my targets are for XRP, I've already posted one. You can follow me at patreon.com/workingmoneychannel. It is only $5 a month right now. That price will be going up, though, in the near future. So get in now if you want to be grandfathered in at that $5 price point, because you will be paying $5. You won't be paying the higher price if you subscribe and stay subscribed. That's just my opinion. I want to hear what you guys think. Please subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Like the video if you like the content I'm providing. I always love hearing your comments. See you in the next one, guys.